You may have seen many a times that some of the stock shows that very high volume on some days with a very huge price action. Like today, this GRSC stock, Garden Reach Ship stock, has gained 20% with a very high volume. But whether this volume is showing that smart money is entering in the stock or not, whether you have to think about entering in the such type of stocks where huge volume is coming, how you can uh, how you can eliminate the traps in the stocks with such huge volume, and you can identify those genuine stocks where this volume shows that some smart money is entering, some big players are actually making that positions, that volume is showing that. So volume is the best indicator. If you club with price action, you will get a very good picture that what is happening in the stock. But sometimes volume has been created intentionally in the stocks to create a FOMO, fear of missing out, for retail players, so that they will enter and the big player will will be able to sell his position. The smart money, the big players operator have huge quantity of share. They cannot go simply and sell their positions in the market, because that will result in the complete collapse of the stock. So they have to create liquidity in the stock, like in retail players FOMO, that fear of missing out, so that retailers should feel that, oh, that now that stock can become rocket, I will miss this rally, so he will start buying and the big player will start selling. But how to identify this? Very difficult. But if you start checking the delivery percentage with volume, you can eliminate this chances of becoming a trap, being a victim of this such type of trap. How you can do that? Always see whether high delivery percentage is coming with this volume. If suppose a big player is making position in any stock and this volume is showing that, because volume cannot be hidden, if they are making position, volume will show you that some big positions have been made. But whether that position is just for intraday, they came in intraday, created a huge volume, share has gained 20%, but whether that is sustainable, that you can come to National Stock Exchange website, write the stock name, the full detail will come, trade detail of the day. Here you have to see that, earlier also I have told you, always see percentage of deliverable divided by traded quantity. Means how much percentage of the total traded quantity has been taken in the delivery. Somebody will take the stock in the delivery only when he is sure that for the next 1 week, 1 month, or 1 year, the stock is going to be in the uptrend. Because in cash market, you cannot take the stock in delivery for a selling position. You can sell a position only in intraday or in futures market. The data which you are seeing is the cash market data. So this data is clearly showing that only 16% of the position of that huge position has been taken in the delivery. Not a big number. I recommend always see that whether more than 70% of the traded quantity has been taken as delivery or not. If not, then this will be another trap of earlier data. Earlier you see that stock started going up with volume. People will think like that now the stock has made a base, it has made a W pattern, it is going upside, and they will start entering in the stock. But what happened again? Stock will break its last low and it will go down. Many such rallies have come with a big volume. After some days, again that rally will come, again a big volume will come with a big candle. But that will be a trap. You will never get to find out that which is the actually the ideal rally or the pakka bottom. You will never get the bottom. Only thing is, if you are willing to take the trade, means if you are now ready to take entry here, your stop loss will be somewhere here. So if you are ready to take this much risk, so you have to maintain your position size accordingly, then only you can enter. But this is a very big stop loss. Suppose the stock comes and hit your stop loss and you have taken a very big position, it will be a disaster. So always see that where you are entering, what is your stop loss. If you are taking the position for a swing trade, not for a long term investing. Long term investing is a different ball game. You have to see the value of the stock. That time you can average it at every price, because you see that value is there in the stock price, it is cheaper than its true value, so you can average in all prices. But if you don't know how to check the value of the stock, whether 1640 is the true value of the garden GRSC stock or not, then you have to do swing trading based on price action, based on relative strength model, or your any model, any indicator or price action. But there, if you take entry here after seeing such big volume, then my recommendation is always go and see the delivery percentage. It will not take much of your time. You can keep the stock in watch list, see it for 4 or 5 days, that how much delivery percentage is coming in the stock consistently, whether 2 or 3 days are coming in a week or in a month, that more than 70-80% percentage of the traded quantity has been taken in the delivery. If that number is shown like that, you can be convinced that okay, high volume is coming, and from that high volume a huge quantity has been taken in the delivery. This will take a small you will not miss the rally. If the stock has to go up, you see that earlier when it has gone up from somewhere here, somewhere 400, 500, 700, stock has rallied up to 2800. So if it has to go to again that same type of return, you will not miss. It will again make a base somewhere here before breaking out here. So you can take entry anytime. You keep the stock in the watch list, but start looking at the data of delivery percentage. It will help you immensely. It will save you from many of the disasters which you make in your trading, because this simple thing has a logic. Because if people are taking the positions for a delivery, then it has to be visible in the numbers. You should be a data driven person, not by emotional emotions driven. Like you saw that high volume and a 20% gain in GRSC, and you thought now this is the time, Satyug has come, and now my Karan Arjun has finally came back to save me. No, they will come in Kalyug only. So this may be Kalyug, but you are thinking like Satyug. So to know that whether this is Satyug or Kalyug, the delivery percentage will help you. So always see percentage of deliverable. This is free NSE site, so you can use it. And Stockage and NSE also provides last 2 months data. So if you are very convinced in the stock, at least any type of stock, you see that last 2 months how the delivery percentage is varying, whether many of those days higher delivery percentages are there, or 10-20% delivery percentage is there. That itself you can avoid the stock and you can eliminate the stock. Because finally what you are doing with some system, you are identifying some 50 stocks, then your work is to eliminate the stocks, eliminate the options. In competition exam, how we are clearing, the person who knows how to eliminate the options has the higher probability of winning the competition exam. Same way in stock market also, if you know which balls you have to leave, like in good batsman knows that which is the bad ball to leave, to respect, that person only actually scores big runs. If a person try to hit every ball, he will caught out. So like that, if you try to catch every movement, you will be caught out in some of the stocks, which will cost you a lot. Because here stop loss, you see a big stop loss is there already, stock has risen to 20%, and now this volume if you see and take entry, this can be a disaster. You have to wait. If you want to enter, you just wait to cross this with high delivery percentage. That time also it will not be a late, it can give breakout here, you can take entry, you can keep stop loss, otherwise the stock will keep on falling. You can again see that opportunity. So always see the percentage delivery in any of the stock which you take for swing trading or for any type of trading. Always see percentage of delivery. It is free in NSE website. All the best. We'll see you next video.